welcome back for the one and the only review gamer on this time. So, gamer, we're going to be talking about the Jungle Book watch from Subway. So, previously at Subway, they had Disney Zootopia wall decals, but at the moment they're not out anymore. So, these are what they have in at the moment. So, packaging just says Jungle Book. Different things on the side. Subway. So anyway, before they got into Zootopia, there were more of bags, and now they're changing these I think. So anyway, so this is gonna be interesting. Okay, so so this is gonna be the unpackaging of it. So anyway, it's just a gray one. So you just come behind here, take it. Slide it. So tell you how to set it. This piece of paper, okay. So you just wanna put that like that. You just so you just okay, hang on. Hang on. Okay. So includes Jungle Book 2016 Disney China. The Jungle Book logo right there, and detailed. So just slide it on, and put that at the top there. And okay, it does take a battery, so right there's battery. I think. Pretty sure it is, so yeah. So wait, it's made out of rubber. It's made out like that. Metallic rubber banding, so why it's different, so it's unique. So okay, if you don't like regular watches and you don't like the rubber around the other one, but you like this kind of rubber, then I would say get it. But if you don't, then just leave it. I don't even want to see the Jungle Book movie. I was hoping they had Zootopia, but they right now is this. That's what they haven't. I don't know how many of these they have. This might be the only ones. I'm not just sure. So, okay. So you go like that, but it's mostly bird. So. So, like that. Huh, pretty nice. So, can't really tell it. Oh, you had to go like that. So anyway. Anyway, thank you for watching for the one and the only Review Gamer. Stay tuned for more episodes of Review Gamer on later episode of Review Gamer. If you like this video, please hit like. If you want to subscribe to see more videos when the moment they come out, then hit the subscribe button at the bottom of it. And please comment. Anyway, thank you for watching for the one and the only Review Gamer. For this is Disney's The Jungle Book Subway Rubber Band. Like that kind of rubber material that I like. So, anyway, get it if you like rubber bands. So anyway, thank you for watching for the one and the only Review Gamer.